When your Honeywell water heater pilot light won't ignite, understanding the underlying causes can help you identify the problem quickly and safely. Modern Honeywell water heaters include important safety features. Newer models require a 10-minute waiting period after being turned off before you can attempt to relight the pilot. This safety feature allows any residual gas to dissipate completely. There are several common reasons why a pilot light fails to ignite or stay lit. The most frequent cause is a faulty thermocouple, which is the safety device that senses the pilot flame and controls gas flow. When a pilot tube becomes dirty or clogged with debris, it can prevent proper gas flow to create the pilot flame. This diagram shows the pilot area where cleaning may be necessary. Honeywell gas control valves feature LED status lights that provide diagnostic error codes. These codes help identify specific problems from low thermopile voltage to over-temperature conditions. High water temperature is another common cause of pilot light problems. Honeywell gas valves are designed to shut down the system when water temperatures become excessive, protecting both the equipment and your safety. Most importantly, if you smell gas at any time, do not attempt to light the pilot light. Turn off the gas supply immediately and contact a professional. Safety should always be your first priority when working with gas appliances. Before attempting to relight your pilot light, safety must be your first priority. Turn off both the gas supply and electrical power to your water heater to prevent any accidents. Next, ensure your gas valve is turned on. This is typically located near the water heater and should be in the open position parallel to the gas line. Now begin the reset procedure. Turn the gas control knob to the off position and wait exactly 10 minutes. This waiting period is crucial as it allows any residual gas to dissipate safely from the combustion chamber. After the 10-minute wait, locate the reset button on your water heater's control panel. Press and hold this button for 30 seconds to reset the system. Now comes the pilot lighting procedure. Turn the control knob to the pilot position and push it in. While holding the knob down, press the igniter button to create a spark that will light the pilot. If the pilot lights successfully, continue holding the pilot button for 90 seconds. This allows the thermocouple to heat up properly, which is essential for the pilot to stay lit when you release the button. After 90 seconds, carefully release the pilot button. If the pilot light stays lit, you can turn the control knob to your desired temperature setting. If the pilot goes out, don't worry, we'll cover troubleshooting next. If your pilot light won't stay lit, there are several common issues to check. First, inspect the thermocouple to ensure it's clean and properly positioned in the pilot flame. Clean the pilot tube with a thin wire to remove any debris, and check for air in the gas line, which may take up to 90 seconds to clear. If these troubleshooting steps don't resolve the issue, or if you're uncomfortable working with gas appliances, it's time to call a professional technician. Gas work requires expertise and proper tools for safety.